sign up page of our app, and this is the login section. For user authentication, we have used Firebase authentication. This is the study section of our app. It has four main topics: science, technology, engineering, and maths. And every topic has its own subtopics. Like engineering has engine and tools, science have chemistry, astrology, and botany. And for every subsections, user is provided with two functions: either to explore books related to that subtopic, like these are the books related to chemistry. We have used Google Books API for getting this information. A user could either preview or buy it, and other is use our provided study material. So initially the user will be provided with the small description of the information he wants it to know, and he could view it in AR. For the small description, we have used Wikipedia's API, and just wait for the model to get loaded. And as soon as the model is loaded, user could click on their screen and view it in 3D. So this is the structure of a DDT. Now, in study section, user could click on the top left corner to view their name and email address and choose to log in. This is a 3D model of what STEAM engine. This is a 3D model of Earth. This is a 3D model of steam engine. This is a 3D model of periodic table. This is a 3D model of barred cypress tree. This is a skeleton of blue whale. This is skull of hippopotamus. This is a 3D shaped dodecahedron. This 3D model is of Neptune. This is structure of glucose. This 3D model is of hammer.
Considering the current mental health scenarios, we have developed a chatbot from which the student can interact. Suppose like this is the chatbot. Suppose I say hi. I'm feeling low or something. Suppose I'm just writing here. So I will get a quotes and all that things. Suppose I'm having some query. You can also ask some queries like how to meditate, and you will get the results. Like this way, you can interact with the chatbot and get the day better. Let's see the test section. In the test section, you can give tests. Suppose I click SQL. These are the questions. Suppose I'm clicking any of the options. Let's for the test cases. Next, 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 and this is option. There are multiple choice questions also. This, and this is my score. And you can for clicking on the next, you can give another test here. So now you have given the test, and after giving like 20 or 10 to 20 tests or something based on the number of tests you have given, the number of time you have spent on application, you can just see your analytics of this test. So this is a graph which is showing the number of hours you have spent on this application. So the daily number of hours how you are studying on this application, you can see here. So in this pie chart you can see the number of tests given by you. So for SQL I've given 63 tests, Linux 15, and HTML 34 tests, 23 tests or something like this. And so also you can go to the test history. You can see the previous test which you have performed here. And if you go in the subject wise analysis, you can see the graph of the marks, like the number of tests you have given, and the based on that marks you can get a graph of that subject. Suppose I click SQL, so this is my SQL graph, how my SQL performance is varying here, so I can see that. Suppose I click on the Linux, I can see the Linux graph, how my Linux performance is varying. So HTML graph, so I was pretty good at this time when I was getting 99, now I'm low. So like this way you can analyze your subject, you can get better in that subject. So this is all about Chegg application. Thank you.